message to all the people with Parkinson's disease and other similar diseases that if we are physically active, then it can stave off the progression of the disease. It can slow down the neurodegeneration. It can improve motor symptoms. It can improve posture. It can improve speed. It can improve the non motor symptoms like mood, behavior, depression, sleep, fatigue, constipation. Because if you're physically active, you will never be constipated. And we know constipation is a feature of Parkinson's disease. It is one of the symptoms of Parkinson's disease. So, this is the second message we want to send, that is, not only just the motor symptoms, but the non motor symptoms of Parkinson's disease will also improve. And third is that there are newer treatment modalities available in every stage of Parkinson's disease, whether it's early, middle, or late. So, this patient initially was only on medical therapy. Then now he has a deep brain stimulator placed in his upper chest, and that is able to make him more free to play games and hence be a participant in the society as well in the community and maintain his quality of life. That is the message we wanted.
So, ma'am, now we are having this early onset Parkinson also. So,
Yeah.
for
So
those
Parkinson's was always two types. One is late onset and the other is early onset. So people who have it at a late age, say 60, 60 plus, are late onset. People who have it around 20 to 40 are early onset. It was always there. The early onset patients are more difficult to manage because they have more dose fluctuations to medications and they require very little doses of medicines. So, yes, the disorder can affect even early and it can affect even late.
It is. And are we seeing increasing number of cases of Parkinson, or people have become more aware? So that is.
See, I think people are more aware and they're coming in much more early. There is availability of facility for diagnosis, which is there as compared to older times. To say that the disease is increasing, you need a real time epidemiological study, which doesn't happen all the time.